Welcome to today's tutorials. Today we'll be talking about the difference between a shovel and a spade. Now, a shovel and a spade are tools that are similar in look. Looking at it from a distance, you can feel that they are the same. You think that they are the same, but there are little differences, in their shape and where they are applied. And all these are what we are going to be looking at today. Okay, so what's the difference? A shovel and a spade may look similar, but they are designed for different tasks. A shovel, as you can see on the left of your screen, is designed for digging and lifting. The shovel blade helps scoop loose material. From the picture, you see the blade and you see what it looks like. You see how curved it is, the curved scoop blade. Yeah, so the shovel is ideal for moving soil, sand, gravel, concrete mix, and mulch. While the spade is designed for cutting and shaping. If you look on the right hand of your screen, you will see what the spade looks like. The flat blade creates neat edges and trenches. Okay, take a very good look at the flat straight blade, so you can tell the difference between this and shovel. Okay, so the spade is ideal for digging trenches, cutting roots, edging lawns, transplanting plants. Okay, so we are going to look at the difference between the shovel and the blade, the shovel and the spade, looking at the features that they both have. And the first feature we'll be looking at is the blade shape. The blade shape for the shovel is curved and scoop-like, while the blade shape for the spade is flat and rectangular. The blade tip for the shovel is pointed or rounded, while the blade tip for the spade is straight edged. The main use for the shovel is digging, scooping, and moving materials, while the main use for the spade is cutting soil, edging, and trenching. The shovel is best used on sand, gravel, soil, and mulch, while the spade is best used for roots, sod, and garden beds. The footstep of a shovel is usually small or absent, while the footstep for a spade often has wide foot rests. When we talk about footstep, we are talking about the space on top of the blade where a foot is placed in order to move the blade into the ground or drill or push the blade into the ground. There's a place on top of the blade where the foot is placed whenever each of these tools wants to be drilled into the ground. Okay, so the next feature is the handle angle. The handle angle of the shovel is slightly angled, while for the spade it is more upright and straight. Okay, so let's go to an easy way to remember the difference between these two is a shovel is used to scoop, while a spade is used to slice. If you're digging a foundation or moving a pile of sand, use a shovel. If you are making a straight trench for a pipe or cable, use a spade. If you look on your screen, you will see two examples of where a shovel was used and where a spade was used. On the left hand side of the pictures, you see where a shovel was used in moving off a pile of sand or gravel. On the right hand side of the picture, you see a spade used in digging a straight trench for a pipe or a cable. So, to summarize everything we've been talking about and reiterate what we've been discussing. Number one, a shovel has a curved blade for scooping and lifting loose material. A spade has a flat blade for cutting, edging, and shaping. Use the right tool for the job to save time and effort. It's very important to know the difference between the two tools, the spade and the shovel. It's important because it will help us to know the right tool, just like I mentioned earlier. It will help us to know the right tool to use for a specific job to enable us save time and also to save effort in undertaking that task. So that will be all for today. Thanks for watching. For those who haven't subscribed, kindly do so that you will be in the know as we discuss other topics on civil engineering, structural engineering, and construction. If you have any question, kindly put it in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video and learned anything from this video, drop a like button, click on the like button to encourage the work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.